This one? Okay, we're gonna do that one. Say, I wanna be a superhero.
Superhero.
Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to be doing something to Braxton. He actually requested it when he saw me doing my makeup this morning, and he wanted a superhero mask. So I'm doing his hair and I'm putting a superhero mask on my boy, and he picks the colors for himself. And I'm using the NYX Ultimate Brights palette, and I also use the RachhLoves Pixi collab just for a little bit of extra something. And then I use a Tarte Amazonian Clay eyeliner to create the mask. So here comes the mask for Braxton and doing his hair. And I hope you guys like this video. Thumbs up it. Subscribe to the channel. Yeah. What color do you want?
Blue.
You want blue? Which blue?
This.
This one? Okay, we're gonna do that one. Hey, look at mommy. Remember, you gotta look up. Say, I wanna be a superhero. What's that?
Superhero.
Yeah, superhero. You said you want blue. Remember, you gotta put your head up.
Pink one.
Well, you said blue first, so we'll do blue first. You looking in the mirror? Here, we'll scoot closer.
This one.
Can you see now? No, don't touch.
This one.
Okay, let's finish with blue. Come here. Look at you. Okay, what color?
This one.
You want this one?
No, this one.
The red one?
No.
He wants red. Okay.
Okay.
So where are we gonna put it? Look up.
You
You a superhero?
superhero. Superhero.
Okay. Whoa. Okay, close your eyes. Close your eyes. Close eyes. Ooh, does that tickle?
I'm a superhero again too.
Yeah, Braxton's gonna be a superhero. Close your eyes. Close your eyes. No, close them nice. What's that? Do you look like a superhero? Okay, so look up.
This one.
We got finished with red, and then we'll do a different color, okay? Okay, what color?
This one.
You want pink? So he wants the pink color.
What's that?
Okay, let's do it. Close your eyes.
Purple one.
What purple one?
Purple one.
You want the dark purple one? Okay. Ooh, isn't that cool, Bee? Wait, we're not done. We gotta do the other side. Look. Boom, 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 boom. Wait, we're not done. I know it tickles. I know. See, I want to be a superhero. Here.
What's this? This.
What's what?
This.
No, don't touch. Which one? You want the lighter purple color? He wants this color.
There's a high.
Boom. Whoa, Bee! Okay, so now we gotta put this on. Close eyes. Remember, this might tickle a little. That tickle? You're gonna hold my hand? Keep your head still. Good job, Bee. You're not done. It's halfway done. Halfway done. We gotta do this side. Look. Okay, you want to do the top? Watch. Okay. What color do you want now?
No color.
Well, I gotta set it.
No.
Yes, we gotta set it. So let's do this. Okay?
Balloon.
Look at my superhero! Superhero, superhero. Now, do you want any of this on?
Okay.
Okay. What do you want? Which one?
This.
This one? Okay, don't touch. Look at Mama.
It's a mess.
Mm-hmm.
This.
Okay, all done. Let's spray your face. We have the aloe herbs and rose water spray. Okay, close eyes. Close eyes. Close eyes. Close eyes. There you go. Good job. Do you want Mommy to do your hair? Use not your mother's sculpting gel.
There.
Whoa, Bee. Look at you. You gotta blow dry it, okay?
Put down.
Hold on. Uh-oh.
That's that. Where's that, Mommy? Where's that?
I'm gonna blow dry your hair, okay? Woo! Look at Bee! Look at you! You look so cute! Look! Look at your hair! Are you all done? Look at you! Good job, Bee! There you go. Go downstairs. I hope you guys really liked this video. Thumbs up it if you would like to see me do some more like cute little makeup things on my son, making him look like a superhero. Leave a comment below. I would really like to know, and I will see you guys later. Bye!